In this video, I'll show you how to install Turtle library in a Python project in Pycharm IDE. For that, first we will open that Python project in Pycharm in which we want to install Turtle library. Now, before starting the installation, do hit the like button if you find the video useful. Now to install Turtle, we will click on this file here. Then go to this new project setup and we will click on this settings for new projects here. Here we will click on this Python interpreter. And from this drop down, we will select the correct Python interpreter for which we want to install Turtle. For me, the correct interpreter is this one, which is present inside this Hello World project. So I will select this particular interpreter here. Please be cautious while selecting this interpreter here, because if you select the incorrect interpreter, then you won't be able to use Turtle properly in your Python projects and it will give you errors when you will try to import this Turtle library. And as soon as we select the interpreter, we will see all the packages here that are already installed for the selected Python interpreter. Now we will click on this plus icon, which will open up a new window of available packages. Now to install Turtle, we will search for Python Turtle in the search box. This is the one. We will select this and click on this install package here. Once this is installed, we will see this message here, package Python Turtle installed successfully. Now we can close this window and here we will see this Python Turtle package along with the other packages which was not present earlier. Now we will click on this OK, which will close this window as well. Let's verify the installation whether the Turtle library is installed properly or not. And for that we will write couple of lines of code here. So first we will create an empty Python file. For that we will click on this file here and then new, and here we will select this Python file. Now we will give the name of the file, so I will write hello and I will double click on this Python file here. Now first we will import the Turtle module, so we will write import Turtle. Now we will initialize a new drawing window by writing turtle.screen. And we will assign this object to the screen variable. Now we would want to keep the window open until we click inside that window. For that we will write screen.exit on click. And now to run this program, we will right click and click on run hello here. So the code is executed successfully without any error, and we have got this window as well, which means the Turtle library is installed properly and we can use this in any Python code now. We can close this window by clicking anywhere on this. Let me know if this video was useful to you.